What's up, everybody? Is it just me? Or is the music getting all choppy? What's up? Good morning. Let's go. Right? YouTube's getting all chop right now. Who knows? Moaning. Okay, let's go. All right. Excited to see it. A brand new day. We're seeing what we got opened up. Market's rational, looking solid. All right, hang tight for 1 second. Get my phone plugged into the charger here. I'm gonna be on a new morning show. What's going on with YouTube? If my stream's just getting choppy, let me know. Like, YouTube is acting kind of funky today. Wait. That should be better. Y'all should be able to hear me, but I wonder what that feedback is. Routing. All right. Oh, I know what this is. Hold on. Let me turn on my sound devices. Every single time Windows, I know they're doing this. System. Every single time. Oh, what's up? What's up? I can hear you meow. What's up? What's up? Did you just say meow? Do I look like a cat to you? Jumping from saucer to saucer, act all nimbly bimbly. I know what's happening here. It's with the music back on. Hold on. Every time Windows installs an update, Windows loves to just tell you what your audio devices should be. But I'm hearing feedback back to my broadcast. So let me turn the speakers off. Why is it passed through into my speakers? I hear my voice in my own speakers, and that never changed anything. Check, 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 check. 8 minutes till market opens. Yeah, that's weird. Okay. Something is looping back to my speakers, and I don't know what it is. If it starts getting annoying, I'll just unplug them. What's up, Anthony? Dude, good to see you again, brother. We have the platform now released. You have to catch up. Good morning. Good morning. What's up? Quest Funded Otis, Cody, Alexa, Little Blue, Mansoor. What's up, friend? Anthony Hubbard. No sound. Yeah, no, my sound's all funky today. We'll figure out what's going on here. I got 7 minutes to figure it out. I don't know why my speakers, my line out is somehow coming back into my speakers. Where to play sound system? That's it. Window. What? Windows loves to just mess with your sound settings every time it installs an update. Like my camera becomes a microphone again. It's so weird. Okay, that's gonna be line out. System music. Okay. Good morning, team. Okay, let's take a look at the market. So today we have no irrational setup, right? So we're good. We're good. We're good. The triple B, right? You can see right here this number 1975, important number. We are elevated above that, which means pivots are going to be overshooting and choppy. I'm going to contemplate 2 strike distance stop loss instead of 1. If you came into the class yesterday, we had. And we will start over with liquidity maps again. I expect everybody today to come to our session. Had to rush to the emergency room, actually. So people started messaging me in the middle of class, Matt, are you okay? Matt, are you okay? And then I just kind of wasn't. And then we just kind of cut class out. I said we'll start over tomorrow. But I'm in good health. Thank you for all your well wishes last night. I got like I got like a CT scan. I got all the good stuff. They took me up to all the machines. And they're like, "You're good, man. You got a good couple months ahead of you." Oh, am I supposed to be on a space this morning? What is today? I'm all messed up because of the holidays. Oh. All right.
Could get used to this. I didn't have to leave in 3 days. But is what it is. Alright. Yeah. Paper games. What's up? Warm boys.
All right, we're getting ready to get started here. I'll be trading SPY. I'll be trading S&P and Nasdaq futures today. Just trying to get my sound stuff set up. I'm not really sure what's going on there. Check. Where are the DD bands? The Discord didn't update. Yeah, your boy was on the ER last night, so I didn't get a chance to push the buttons. Sorry about that. Let's do it real quick. Actually, you know what? We're just gonna manually deal it. Yeah, sorry about that. I'm good. Don't freak out, y'all are. I had blood pressure. My top number was 180. Okay, so I had to go in. Oh yeah, it was crazy high. All right, market's open. It's ready to go. Market's rational. We're good. We're rational on all fronts today. So far, so good. VIX is elevated above triple B, so we're going to get probably pivoting overshoots. Resilience is nice and strong. And remember, in candle count days, every red day comes with a little bit of green. So it's usually every other day is going to be red day, green day, typically in bear markets. So I'm looking for possible long entries. We have to wait till we get those MHPs coming through though, so I can double check that. Emerging drinks. I know. Okay, so look, resilience is positive and we're above the DD band. So we're opening with a little bit of a gap up, which is good. Yesterday's DD ratio was less than half, so bearish potential. So to be very careful there. Wait for our calculations to come through. Okay, BRSU coming through. Let's take a look at this. BRSU is hedge pressure resistance down to bottom. We are trading here around opening on the bottom side. So this is still, oh, this is gonna be a fun one. Okay, so this is still short potential from there down to here. Okay, so opening below MHP, I'm still short-minded, so that's not necessarily the best thing in the world for a long. And so again, yellow to blue, blue to yellow. If we're in between the two, we're not. We're below here, open here, touch that, short down to there. So what I'm looking for with res being where it is, this could end up being another short-ish day. So this is probably where we are, sandwiched between here and here today. I don't know if I want to long up a half gap, but I might like to trade it just from here to here. It's a really slim. It's only 10 points. It's not a lot going for SPY. Let's check QQQ. It's no more energy drinks. I know. Slippery slope. So QQQ, looking at that MHP resilience right here. I mean, sorry, the resilience here. I'm pushing forward. DD's coming in at 0.3 right at the open. So this is bear side. The market is going to come down today. This is a short setup again. I like it. Shorting against MHP 400 to trade right back down to there. With DD being way less than half, there'd be a very slim chance that we break through here and go to there. So I'm looking to get in on this on the short side. There we go. Let's go. Right against MHP hedge. From here to here, it's almost like a 1-to-1. It's not a lot on that trade. But DD being less than 1/2, so we're probably going to stay on the bear side. I'm liking that. Resilience being positive means that I'm trading in here. It's a very tight scalp. I'm going to try to get it right out the door. Right above triple B means my overshoots are going to be pretty big. So I'll be willing to short one more time there. And remember, in a liquidity pocket, it is random. UVXY, clean across the board. Okay. Looking nice. Let's go ahead and set up the scanner to pick up, see if there's any runners on the illiquidity side and MHP break up side. Okay. Yeah, so it's officially going bearish, right? So Jod, if you're watching, watch the scanner. Pops up, goes away. It might just be me. It might just be mine, I don't know. DD doesn't pop out yet. Oh yeah, there's some more things we're working on when it comes to that. So we just put out a patch really quick to get all the stuff set up for saving candle layouts or saving chart layouts. So now here's the thing. I like the fact that we are rational, which means I can rationalize all of this. We're staying from here to here. If that MHP resilience is right, if you'll see where my mouse is, right at 2.6 on NASDAQ, 2.7, MHP resilience is right on the edge. This is enough to break through it, so I'm kind of concerned with that. But we're going to see. With regular resilience greater than half, my trade only stays inside of here. So it's not a big crash day. It's really quick right out the door. I'm going to get it as soon as I get one more drop. Come on, come on. Push, 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 push. Right, a half gap. I'll close it out. $300-400 scalp. Come on. Connect. Let's go. It's fighting there. That resilience, we're trying to get some fight done. I want to see this go below 0 to support that this isn't going to break and not hang on for longer. But let's just start closing out in light chunks of 3. It's just a small scalp. I know I'm being greedy, but come push a little harder. whatever. I'm going to take it. That's it. It's from here to here. It's fighting, and I'm going to call it a day. Resilience is positive, so we're supporting here. Monthly hedge pressure resilience is positive, so it's not really wanting to. It's wanting to push this way. There's a liquidity pocket here. Like I said, we're trapped inside of here. I didn't get that resilience pushing down as much as I did, so I wanted it to be less than 0 so I could take the scalp. And anyways, I close it. Yeah. So that's it. Quick and dirty. Yeah, that's it. Half gap to MHP. That's really it. Now I know it could have gone lower, but I'm not getting that sign. Resilience wasn't dropping as fast, and I'm actually talking to Jod right now, so I can't pay attention any further. But the trade is from here to here. I just cut it early. Whatever, 160 bucks. That's a win. Again, no losing days. Let's go. I know it's not a lot of money, but it is 100% basis. This is again, put some rockets in the chat every time we make a trade here with some. I know it's not a lot, but we're growing a small account just to show you how to do it. Welcome. Okay, if you guys have not checked out our extended trial, this is like a once in a lifetime thing, right? We're doing this really cool thing. Go here, our $199 a month subscription with our full unlocked version, all the things in the platform forever and ever, $35 a month for 3 months. Play with it for 3 months for $35. It only covers your data feeds. That promotion has gone viral. Literally, everybody every day there's 20 to 50 new people every day for weeks. It's crazy, and I love you all. So it's almost been about 1,000 people in the last 8 days. So if you want to come through and check it out, it's a full 6-week course. We will train you on everything we do. In a 6-week period, you get 3 months. So an extra 6 weeks after that to hang out and learn more. And then you can take it with you. Go out into the world. You can play with it for 3 months and cancel. And that's the best part. No strings attached. You can cancel after the first month. I want you all to check it out. We want you all to be part of the Rocket Scooter family. We want you all to learn the new way of reading markets. You see no technical indicators, trend indicators. I have a few pivots. I play with them. I trade with them. That's it. I'm on a 19-day streak on this small account challenge, and we are up, what, 41.6%. Rocket Scooter is going to the moon, literally. Well, not really literally, but figuratively. I'm also on a podcast right now, so apologize. That was a quick and dirty scalp. We all know what it is. A BRSU is a trade from open to monthly hedge to open. I do that one all the time. When rational markets play out nice and clean. That's why I bet heavy. All right, everybody knows today's rational. We open below here. I like to trade from here against there, back down. When it hits here, I consulted my tiebreakers. Monthly hedge resilience was not less than 0. So it being greater than 0, it hints that it wants to break that. This yellow line is the tiebreaker of that yellow line. It being positive, it wants to be on that side of it. So I didn't feel comfortable in my short because it wasn't really nastily negative. Number 2, regular half gap resilience greater than 0, which means half gap is support, which is why I only traded from here to here. You might understand resilience because we haven't got there in the class, but everybody understand why I traded from here to here and close it out. And all I was doing at the end was debating if I would get one last little burp to close it before it did that. So I was being just picky, and I decided to bail just to not lose the trade. Did y'all see what I did? Any questions, team? Yeah, no, totally. Thank you for the shout out. But that's it. My trading day's over. I inch along. It's been 10 minutes and I'm done. That's a pretty textbook trade. When things are rational, it's textbook. Another thing, DD less than 1/2, which we know means that 96% of the time in the back test, DD less than half. If you start in the bear zone, you end up in the bear zone. So the market wants to stay in the bear zone. The market wants to break monthly hedge pressure. They're pushing against each other, which means it's kind of stuck inside of here. There's not a lot of range off of this. Half gap greater than 0. This wants to support. When you line it all up, There's a trade plan, and that's exactly why I did what I did and why I got in and got out and bailed. It's pretty much it. So we encourage you all, if you want to learn this style of trading, you're tired of looking at, I don't know, 10 different charts for everything you trade. You're tired of looking at moving averages and indications and laser battle charts and lights and sounds and colors like you're at a rave, and it's never made you feel like you understood what you're doing. We get you. You know, we made this with a brand new style of analysis to kind of simplify the whole process of reading the market into a more discrete sense of we're going to predict where volume will be instead of try to predict where price will do. So you can predict where volume will be, you can trade where traders will be, whether you're right or wrong. The idea is that if I know that volume will be here or here, which there's your proof of that, we uncover hidden volume before it happens. These numbers sit here at the start of the day and we trade against them. This is actually a hedging balance between market makers who sell options to other market makers. You never heard of all those words strung together before. That's what put us on the map. We're doing something completely different. We have no indications on our chart that are technical indicators. We use nothing that's standard. Everything here was invented from a process inside of my brain and the brain of the folks in this community. So we'll invite you guys to check it out. Would a short from hedge pressure on SPY still be good if resilience is negative? If resilience is negative, it's going to pivot the redistribution zone. It's two different modes of it, right? Because monthly hedge pressure resilience is positive, I'm not trying to bet against monthly hedge pressure anymore because it's irrational. In a rational market, you have yellow positive, so it wants to break. That's exactly the first thing I said, that it wanted to break. Didn't I say that, right? This is the tiebreaker there. In a rational market, this is a rational thing. If stocks are moving first, stocks are breaking their monthly hedge pressures, which is why the first thing I did on the scanner when I have him Jod checking out was to look for monthly hedge pressure breakup so I could see which stocks are now pushing, and I'm going to sort it and filter it by some really nice, let's see if we get some mega caps here and see which mega caps are breaking. So this is what I'm gonna do. Price. Let's knock out the penny stocks so they're not gonna show up on my scanner. Let's see, Coin, Shopify. Let's sort by any of the high volume traders. INTC, SPY, Coin. So these are stocks that are breaking their monthly hedge pressure. And so if you were to piece it all together, and this is a great setup when markets are rational, the analysis is a lot simpler because everything kind of rationalizes very well. Let's piece it together. Okay. Oops. Let me start over. Let me do that again. Okay. Easiest one, DD. Less than half. It means it wants to touch the lower band before the upper band. Let's keep that in mind, right? It wants to touch this before that in a rational market. Are we rational right now? Why did I take this, wait a couple minutes and take this run to the upside? Because I don't overtrade, Bob, and I like winning and I don't like losing. I know which trades are more probable and which trades aren't. It is no, it's an irrational market on hedge pressure break. So inside of here, you can't rationalize that rule anymore. So up here, I can't say I'm going to short down to there because of this rule, right? So the rules you can't rationalize anymore when irrational. Great job. The window of opportunity is closed right here, as we all have learned. Correct. Okay, so I'll teach you something, Bob, since you're learning this process with us, because I remember checking out with you over the weekend. So I can take a long breakout, but I take the trade every day. There's two types of trades. One is I call my career trade, which I'm demonstrating 100% career trades. If you want to make a living as a day trader, career trades are all you ever need to do. The trades that make sense. This to this was literally textbook. Everybody in this group probably knows exactly why I just did that and closed out. Matt, you're going to miss out on this, right? I'm missing out on nothing. I made 41% in a 3-week period on an account, and I haven't lost a trading day yet. I'm about to be calling a podcast. Hang tight for a second. What's up? What's up? What's up? I don't think we're gonna break here. Markets are random from here anyways, right? This means we're likely gonna stay in the bear zone, so I'm more willing to short again. And I probably should short it again. Remember, DD less than half. We are irrational up here. I can't make that rationalization. The idea that back in here is probably so a small short. I agree, because it's irrational. Audio. Check, check.
you.